Welcome to Luxury World, where we explore the finest automobiles the world has to offer. Today, we're diving into the future of luxury with our countdown of the top 15 luxury coupe models for 2025. These cars represent the pinnacle of design, performance, and technology. So, buckle up and join us on this journey through automotive excellence. Starting our countdown at number 15, we have the Lexus RCF. This Japanese powerhouse is equipped with a naturally aspirated 5.0-liter V8 engine, delivering 472 horsepower and 395 lb-ft of torque. It sprints from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.2 seconds, with a top speed of 168 miles per hour. The exterior design is bold and aggressive, featuring Lexus's signature spindle grille and sharp, angular lines. Inside, you'll find a driver-focused cockpit with premium materials and the latest infotainment system, though it lags slightly behind some competitors in tech. Priced at around $85,000, the RCF stands out for its reliability and value, offering a taste of luxury without breaking the bank. Moving up to number 14, the BMW M2. This compact coupe packs a punch with its 3.0-liter twin-turbo inline-six engine, producing 453 horsepower and 406 lb-ft of torque. It accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.0 seconds flat, making it a thrill to drive. The M2's design is sporty yet refined, with a low stance and muscular wheel arches. The interior is driver-centric, featuring BMW's iDrive system and a mix of leather and carbon fiber accents. What sets the M2 apart is its optional manual transmission, a rarity in this segment, which appeals to purists who crave an engaging driving experience. Starting at $62,000, it's a performance bargain in the luxury space. At number 13, the Jaguar F-Type R. This British icon is powered by a supercharged 5.0-liter V8 engine, delivering 575 horsepower and 516 lb-ft of torque. It rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.5 seconds, with a top speed of 186 miles per hour. The F-Type R's design is sleek and aerodynamic, featuring a long hood and a short rear deck that exudes performance. Inside, you'll find a luxurious cabin with Windsor leather seats and a 12.3-inch digital cluster. Priced at $103,000, the F-Type R is for those who want a visceral driving experience, complete with an exhaust note that turns heads. Coming in at number 12, the Maserati Gran Turismo. This Italian masterpiece features a 4.7-liter V8 engine, producing 454 horsepower and 384 lb-ft of torque. It reaches 60 miles per hour in 4.7 seconds and has a top speed of 185 miles per hour. The Gran Turismo's design is timeless, with elegant curves and a distinctive trident logo. The interior is handcrafted with poltrona frau leather and open-pore wood trim, exuding exclusivity. Starting at $150,000, the Gran Turismo is a blend of performance and artistry, perfect for those who value style as much as speed. At number 11, the Audi RS5 Coupe. This German-engineered marvel boasts a 2.9-liter twin-turbo V6 engine, delivering 444 horsepower and 443 lb-ft of torque. It dashes from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.7 seconds, thanks to its quattro all-wheel drive system. The RS5's design is understated yet athletic, with flared fenders and a honeycomb grille. Inside, it offers a tech-forward cabin with Audi's virtual cockpit and a Bang & Olufsen sound system. Priced at $75,000, the RS5 is a versatile choice, offering year-round usability without sacrificing performance. Entering the top 10, we have the Lexus LC500. This Grand Tourer is powered by a 5.0-liter V8 engine, producing 471 horsepower and 398 lb-ft of torque. It accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.4 seconds and has a top speed of 168 miles per hour. The LC500's design is futuristic, with a low-slung profile and intricate spindle grille. The interior is a work of art, featuring hand-stitched leather and a Mark Levinson audio system. Starting at $93,000, The LC500 is ideal for long-distance drives, blending comfort with exhilarating performance. At number 9, the BMW 4 Series Grand Coupe. This four-door coupe offers a 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six engine, delivering 382 horsepower and 369 lb-ft of torque. It reaches 60 miles per hour in 4.4 seconds, with a top speed of 155 miles per hour. The design is sleek and functional, with frameless doors and a liftback trunk for added practicality. Inside, it features BMW's Live Cockpit Professional and a Harman Kardon sound system. Priced at $58,000, the 4 Series Grand Coupe is a stylish daily driver that doesn't compromise on luxury. Moving up to number 8, the Mercedes-AMG GT Coupe. This beast is equipped with a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, producing up to 577 horsepower in the GT or variant. It blasts from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.5 seconds, with a top speed of 198 miles per hour. The design is aggressive, with a long hood and wide stance. The interior is driver-focused, featuring Nappa leather and a Burmester surround sound system. Starting at $115,000, the AMG GT is a track-ready coupe that doesn't sacrifice luxury. At number 7, the Bentley Continental GT. This British Grand Tourer boasts a 6.0-liter W12 engine, delivering 626 horsepower and 664 lb-ft of torque. It accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.6 seconds, with a top speed of 207 miles per hour. The Continental GT's design is opulent, with a matrix grille and elliptical tail lamps. Inside, it's a showcase of craftsmanship, featuring hand-stitched leather and veneered wood. Priced at $220,000, the Continental GT is the epitome of luxury, designed for those who demand the best. Cracking the top 6, the Aston Martin Vantage. This British supercar features a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, producing 503 horsepower and 505 lb-ft of torque. It sprints from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.5 seconds, with a top speed of 195 miles per hour. The Vantage's design is breathtaking, with a ducktail spoiler and aggressive diffuser. The interior is bespoke, offering diamond-stitched leather and a Bang & Olufsen audio system. Starting at $150,000, the Vantage is a blend of beauty and performance, crafted for discerning enthusiasts. At number 5, the Porsche Taycan Turbo S. This all-electric coupe delivers 750 horsepower and 774 lb-ft of torque, rocketing from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.6 seconds. It has a top speed of 161 miles per hour and a range of up to 256 miles. The Taycan's design is futuristic, with adaptive air suspension and matrix LED headlights. Inside, it offers a curved digital cluster and a 10.9-inch touchscreen. Priced at $185,000, the Taycan Turbo S is a glimpse into the future of luxury performance, proving electric can be exhilarating. Moving into the top 4, the Mercedes-Benz CLE 53. This newcomer features a 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six engine with EQ boost, delivering 429 horsepower and 384 lb-ft of torque. It reaches 60 miles per hour in 4.5 seconds, with a top speed of 155 miles per hour. The CLE 53's design is sleek and modern, with a diamond radiator grille and slim LED taillights. The interior is tech-forward, boasting the MBUX infotainment system and a 12.3-inch digital cockpit. Starting at $75,000, the CLE 53 is a fresh take on luxury, blending performance with cutting-edge technology. At number 3, the BMW M8 Competition. This beast is powered by a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, producing 617 horsepower and 553 lb-ft of torque. It accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.0 seconds, with a top speed of 190 miles per hour. The M8's design is bold, with a carbon fiber roof and M-specific aerodynamics. Inside, it offers merino leather upholstery and a Bowers & Wilkins sound system. Priced at $130,000, the M8 Competition is a track-ready machine that doesn't compromise on luxury. Runner-up at number 2, the Porsche 911 Turbo S Hybrid. This hybrid supercar combines a 3.8-liter twin-turbo flat-six engine with electric motors, delivering over 700 horsepower. It blasts from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.6 seconds, with a top speed of 205 miles per hour. The 911's design is iconic, with a wide rear stance and adaptive aerodynamics. The interior is driver-focused, featuring a 10.9-inch touchscreen and carbon fiber trim. Starting at $200,000, the 911 Turbo S Hybrid is the perfect blend of tradition and innovation, offering electrified performance without losing its soul. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. At number 1 is the Aston Martin Valhalla. This mid-engine hybrid hypercar boasts a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine paired with electric motors, producing a combined 937 horsepower. It rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.5 seconds, with a top speed of 217 miles per hour. The Valhalla's design is otherworldly, with gull-wing doors and active aerodynamics. Inside, it's a blend of luxury and technology, featuring a fully digital interface and bespoke materials. Priced at $1.2 million, the Valhalla is the ultimate luxury coupe of 2025, offering hypercar performance with Aston Martin's signature elegance. And there you have it, the top 15 luxury coupe models for 2025. From the raw power of the BMW M8 Competition to the hybrid innovation of the Porsche 911 Turbo S and the hypercar excellence of the Aston Martin Valhalla, these cars represent the best of what the automotive world has to offer. Whether you prioritize performance, design, or cutting-edge technology, there's a coupe on this list that will capture your heart. Thank you for joining us on this journey through luxury and excellence. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more automotive content. Until next time, keep driving in style.